The Bitcoin is back above our upper descending trend line of this symmetrical triangle, but is this another fake out, and are we going back as we have seen previously to our medium time frame powerful Fibonacci support zone, or is this actually the time you should start buying Bitcoin heavily because we are going back to our $49,200 levels? Well, I will be telling you exactly what will happen next thanks to sentiment, technical and fundamental analysis, so make sure you are watching. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Hammer from MyCryptoParadise, and firstly let's take a look at some technical analysis. What we have right now on a daily time frame. Right now we are looking on a daily time frame on Bitcoin. That means that each candle represents 1 day of trading activity. We can see that yesterday we have formed this wonderful bullish hammer candlestick pattern, which if you are reading our blog post means that there is a higher probability for a reversal from the downtrend or consolidation which we had in a previous days. And as you already know from our previous video, this is a clear consolidation above our medium time frame Fibonacci support zone. So this hammer candle might be the decision point for a reversal from this consolidation zone, and we might continue in an upward price action. However, what we need to be waiting for is some kind of impulsive buying pressure. So what we are waiting for is on lower time frame we want to see some buying pressure with a great volume, which we will be watching at around 1 hour to 4 hour time frame, and that will be another trigger for us that yes, this symmetrical triangle breakout which we are having right now, and we are still above this upper descending trend line, is going to be a successful with a higher probability. And yes, we will be revisiting our 46,000 lower time frame resistance, which with Paradise only VIPs we have been previously taking profit on our Bitcoin long position at. We will overcome this level and we will be able to continue towards our $49,000. Right now, because of this technical analysis, the probabilities are more on a bullish side, right? So we are basically above our support zone, that is bullish because there is loads of demand going on right here. We are about medium time frame moving average 200, which is this blue line, so that is bullish as well because we are basically in a bull trend. That is what it's telling us. We are also forming a bullish candlestick pattern. This is the bullish hammer candlestick. We are just waiting for some bullish pressure to tell with the highest accuracy that this bullish hammer candlestick pattern is going to fork out on a medium time frame. We are also breaking from our symmetrical triangle chart pattern, as you can see right here. This is our upper descending trend line, this is our upper ascending trend line. As you can see, we have been forming higher lows together with lower highs, right? And then we got this breakout. This one was a fake out, and we have swiftly dumped back to our medium time frame support zone to trigger more liquidity whilst we have been buying here. Then we moved back up to the upside, and now we are on a lower time frame consolidating above the upper descending trend line, so that is bullish as well, right? This breakout, if it's going to be successful, as you know, how to calculate the target of this breakout is by taking the low and the high of this pattern and putting it to the breakout level. So the final target should be around that $49,000, which is also our strong medium time frame sell wall. We have been looking at some on-chain data, and we can see that whales are going to be selling at this level. So this is going to be our major profit taking area. If we are able to reclaim this strong sell wall, we will be then looking for a higher target at around $58,000, but I will not be talking about this right now because firstly we need to overcome this and $46,000 as well. Let's take a look at the liquidation heat map right now. You can see that there is loads of liquidity at around $45,000, which once we start moving to the upside will help to move Bitcoin higher easily. Because this liquidation, what does it mean? It basically means that people are in a short positions, they have their stop losses and liquidation levels at these areas right here, and once the Bitcoin price triggers these liquidation levels, what it will mean, it will basically mean that automatically these short contracts will be switched into long contracts, right? So it will automatically push Bitcoin higher, and it will help our $46,000 to be broken much more easily. So we can see lots of people are in a short position. We can confirm that by looking at funding rates. As you remember, 3 or 4 days ago, this was so positive. Everyone have been bullish. That is also why we needed to have this long squeeze right here, which triggered for around 12% without any leverage. So we have gotten rid of all that bulls, right? And now the funding rates are again very green, loads of negative numbers. That means people are actually betting on the bearish side, which is actually good for us, because we can understand that from a technical perspective and from the psychology perspective, the whales always win, the majority always lose, and the whales always are hunting the liquidity, right? So with a highest probability, the short squeeze is now coming, because whales will be really hunting these liquidation levels, because it will be easier for them to make money. As I said already, once these liquidation levels are closed, it will automatically open a long positions, and that will push Bitcoin higher, and the whales will be able to take the profits much more easier. Let's take a look at the sentiment. We are still pretty bearish. As you can see, the sentiment is going day by day down and more bearish as we are approaching the ETF, which is a fundamental news event, right? And usually when the majority of people are bearish towards some news event and they are in fear, the opposite will usually happen. We have seen that with Tesla news, we have seen that previously with basically all of the news. When people are bearish towards the news event, the bullish thing will happen, because again the whales will be taking the bearish liquidity. If people are bullish towards some news event, the opposite will usually happen with highest probability. Right now the probability is on the side of the bulls because of the sentiment as well. So we are having another points towards this breakout to be successful and continuation towards our strong medium time frame sell war. Let's take a look at other price action. Other index I want to talk about is dollar index. This is basically dollar versus every other currency. As you know from the past performance, when this index is going down, other currencies and majorly Bitcoin is going up. I have been reporting this resistance like a month ago, and we are having very nice bear trend since around November. So we are creating lower highs together with lower lows. So this is absolutely wonderful bear trend for dollar index. And here we had some bullish price action. However, we are revisiting this strong resistance zone, which is built by the Fibonacci 0.618 plus 0.786. So very powerful resistance zone. As you can see, we have got this huge wick out right here. This means that the sellers are being very aggressive at this area, and what I think is that we will continue in our bearish price action. This is going to be our another lower high, right? So this was the previous high, and this is going to be probably a lower high, and we will continue in our bear trend, and we will break down this local low right here and create another lower low, and we will be able to continue in our bear trend. As you know, I'm expecting the dollar index to hit something around 92 to 88, right? So this is our long-term projection for dollar index, and as the dollar is going down, the Bitcoin will be based on the past performance. As we have seen in the previous years, when the dollar index is going down, the Bitcoin will go up. As we can see also the others dominance, which is basically a dominance of others altcoins, excluding the top 9 of market cap. So really just the proper altcoins, not Ethereum, but all the other ones below the top 10 market cap. So the altcoins, if you are buying the proper ones, which can make, for example, as we have made with ParadiseTeam VIPs 2 days ago, YGG, we have made like 48% profit. So I'm talking about these altcoins which are being very volatile. As you can see this chart, because I've been taking, I will chart it one more time. I basically took the Fibonacci retracement tool, and when I'm trying to know where is going to be the next support, I'm not only taking a look at the structure supports which we have seen right here. So this was previously resistance, now it will be probably acting as a support, and we can see it was working very well in the previous months as well. As you can see, this level was working, and then also as a resistance. So this level is pretty important. Sometimes it works like a powerful resistance, sometimes it is working like a very nice support. And now, because we have broken this level right here a few weeks ago, as you can see, we have broken right here this level, then we have retested and continued to the upside. I can imagine that this can be working as a very nice support, and we are having some jumps from here already. So that means that there is the demand, the buyers are ready at this level to support this area. And when I want to have more confirmation that this is really nice strong support, I will also take the Fibonacci retracement tool. I will put it to the local low, right, and I will put it to the local high, which is this level right here. And as you can see, the Fibonacci retracement zone is showing, yes, this is absolutely amazing support zone right here. So I can expect this is going to be for others dominance another higher low. And unlike dollar index, we are in bull trend, right? Why? Because we are creating higher lows together with higher highs. And as you already remember, I'm targeting this medium time frame 0.618 Fibonacci retracement zone, which is at 14.30. That will push loads of altcoins to absolute highs, and we will be making another great profit. So the price action will be looking something like this at the highest probability. Right now this seems to be another higher low, right? This was our previous low, and this is probably going to be another high low. And right now what it tells us is that this is a great time to buy some strong altcoins. We can confirm that on Bitcoin dominance. This is the dominance of Bitcoin. Previously this was the dominance of altcoins. Right now we are looking at Bitcoin dominance. We can see that we are at a structure resistance zone, which I've been showing you in a previous videos. It's not loading right now, but if you want to see why this resistance is very important, look at our previous videos. And we are also broken the uptrend. As you can see right here, we have been creating higher lows together with higher highs, right? And this trend, so this was an uptrend, and just few days ago we have broken below this trend line, and now we are retesting. This is a bearish retest of the trend breakout, right? So with the highest probability, because we are at the resistance, we have broken the trend, we will continue to downside. And when the Bitcoin dominance is going down, the altcoins are going up, and vice versa. So in the next video I will be sharing with you some powerful altcoin which I think can do more than 30 to 50%. If you have enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, subscribe, share with your friends. If you are ready to start trading like a professional, I will see you in the VIP, or just visit our website and join our free Telegram channels if you want to be updated from us on a daily basis. And I will see you in the next video. Cheers.